Okay, so occasionally you run into an issue where the file that you're trying to import into Postal Methods is not the correct size. For instance, go to put the file in, click Next Step, but then it tells you the page size is not correct for some pages in the document. It needs to be 8.5 by 11. So that's what the problem is. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways in which this can be remedied. And if you have an issue and you just can't do it, just reach out to us and let us know. But this is a way that you don't have to be dependent on us or have to wait. You can handle it yourself and not be limited or having to wait on anybody else. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do this. You can go ahead and take this out because that's not going to work. But you want to go ahead and go to that file that you have and open that file up. Now, my default is set to Adobe. If you have Adobe, this is the better route to go. It's easiest route to go. But I'm going to show you another way in case you don't. But if you do have Adobe, all you have to do is go to Print and change the printer to your Adobe PDF. And make sure the default is set to All Pages, to Fit, and to Portrait. Once you've done that, click on Print. And then we'll save that. So I'm just going to name it Fixed File. Okay. So now we'll go to Postal Methods again. And now let's upload that file that we just did the fix on. And you see now it has no problem going through. Okay, but now I'm going to show you another way to do this. Alright, so we're going to locate that same file that's not the right size, and because Adobe is my default, I'm not just going to open it because it'll open up in Adobe. I'm going to do a right click and do Open With. Now in your case, your default may be something different, but anyway, at this point I'm just going to open it up in a different PDF reader just so that I can choose another printer. Alright, so I opened it up in Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Print, but in this case I'm going to pick Microsoft Print to PDF. So this is something that's more available, something you may have already. So you can do it here too. Just a few more steps in this case though. So to do this, put it on Microsoft Print to PDF, then go to Print using Dialog System. You're going to have to find it again, Microsoft Print to PDF. And then you're going to go here to Preferences and make sure it's set to Portrait. Go to Advanced, make sure it's set to Letter. Click OK, OK, and Apply. So we're going to do that again. We're going to print it and we're going to save it. So I already took the other fix file out, deleted it, so we can do it again here using Microsoft Print to PDF. And we'll see that we'll have the same success. Alright, so now when we do this next step now, this time it worked again. So it will work either way. So you see there's an easy fix to get this done, and it should be just something you have available to you if you need to do that. But of course, at any given point, if you have a need for some questions or some additional help, please never hesitate to reach out. We're happy to assist you. And thank you, as always, for being a Postal Methods customer.